Every child is different and therefore views the piano and music differently. Some kids will take immediate interest, while others may shy away from it. If your child is not always interested in playing, don't force them to play, but rather invite them. Go sit at the piano yourself and play with some notes while they are nearby, and you may find your child wandering over to you and wanting to learn more or to do the lesson again. Remember, this first week is simply a chance for them to explore the piano, so make it as fun as possible. It's important to remember that at this early age, the most important thing for your child is simply to feel comfortable walking up to a piano and pressing the keys and feeling excited about the sounds that the piano makes. Don't worry about whether your child could be the next Mozart or not. Who cares if there is a 4-year-old on YouTube already playing a Beethoven sonata? Beyond the show business world we all know of the piano virtuosos, the piano is more importantly a place for self-expression, for creativity, for fun, and so many other things. It can be challenging, but it's extremely rewarding. Always encourage your child. Make the piano a happy place where they can be free and be themselves. Remember, to you it may sound like they are banging on the piano, but to them, they're creating a masterpiece in their minds. And then finally, as I always say, just let them have fun. If they want to go bang on the piano, that may be their way of expressing themselves right now. The piano can be frustrating for children because it is hard to figure out. But rather than telling them to stop or to play a certain way, rather challenge them and see if they can play with only one finger at a time. See if they can play one finger of each hand at the same time. By doing this, your child will begin to realize that they are capable of learning the piano. I hope you and your child have some fun this week exploring the piano.